ClickCoder is well suited to large and small projects. In this video, we code a simple tic-tac-toe game to show the basic workflow. We created an empty tic-tac-toe folder. First, enter the task in the request box. Click Send. In a few seconds, we can read the generated comments. Click the right arrow to see the code, and Save to approve each file. Next, select the index file and click Run. The game works as expected. We can send another request to change the board size, but we can easily edit this manually. Let's try 4. Let's run again. Notice that 3 in a row still wins. So let's ask ClickCoder to fix this in the request box. Click Send. Then Next. We can scroll to see the code change if we want. Let's save. Select the index file and run. Let's test the 4x4 version. Looks good. That completes the project.